Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make the tastiest and easy Zanzibar pizza or Swahili pizza. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you will need 250 grams of wheat flour. You will also need a half a kg of mincemeat. I won't use the whole of mincemeat. You will also need a bit of salt, 2 to 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. You'll also need jumbo or Maggi cube a half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, a bit of oil. You will also need mixed bell peppers, 1 sliced onion. You will need 1 lime of lemon, 1 grated carrots, and a handful of coriander leaves. In a pot or a pan, you will add the mincemeat, followed by garam masala, crushed black pepper, jumbo or Maggi cube a half, and garlic paste. Then you'll squeeze 1 lime of lemon to add an extra amazing taste to the meat. Then sprinkle a bit of salt and mix the meat very well and let it cook in a medium heat. Continue mixing the mincemeat very nice so that the spices can blend in well, and let it cook till well cooked and the meat is dry. Once your mincemeat is dry, you will add the grated carrots, sliced onions, a handful of coriander leaves, and mixed bell peppers, and mix everything well. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes till the meat is dry and the vegetables are well cooked. Once the mincemeat and the vegetables are well cooked, you'll remove from the fire and let it cool down. Once the mincemeat has cooled down, you will divide the mincemeat into 2 portions. Then add 2 eggs to one of the meats and mix it well, and your meat is ready. Meanwhile, we are going to make the pizza dough. In a medium bowl, you will add 250 grams of wheat flour, a bit of salt, and 3 tablespoons of oil, and mix everything well. Then you're going to add some warm water. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till you get a soft dough. Once you get a dough like this, you'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and continue kneading the dough for about 5 minutes till the dough is super soft. Once your dough is soft, you'll add 1 more tablespoon of oil and apply around the dough using the tips of your finger, and cover to put aside for 20 to 30 minutes to make the dough more softer. But if you don't have the time, you don't have to do this step. After 20 to 30 minutes of rest, you're going to divide the dough into 8 small tiny balls and fold them around into small tiny dough as you can see in the video. Then we're going to roll out our dough one at a time. Pour a bit of oil on top of the surface and take one dough at a time and place on the greased surface and spread it out using your fingers as you can see in the video. Then you'll take your rolling stick and grease it with some oil and then make a thin flat circle like this. Once you have a thin flat circle like this, you're going to add the mincemeat which you added some eggs in the beginning. Then place the meat at the center and spread it around using the spoon and fold it into a square pizza bread as you can see in the video step by step. When you're removing the pizza from the surface, make sure you remove the pizza carefully to avoid the pizza from breaking out. And that's not good. Remove the pizza slowly and carefully as you can see in the video. Then we're going to cook the pizza on a pan. Grease the pan and make sure the pan is hot before placing the pizza in. Once the pan is hot, place the pizza in and cook on both sides for 1 minute. After cooking the pizza for 1 minute on both sides, apply some oil on both sides and cook the pizza for 2 to 3 minutes each on both sides till well cooked and golden brown. Once your pizza is well cooked and it has a nice golden brown color like this, then your pizza is ready. Remove it from the pan and place on a plate. And my Swahili pizzas are ready as you can see in the video. I will cut into two so you can able to see how our pizza looks inside and enjoy your Zanzibar pizzas. And my delicious Swahili pizzas are ready as you can see in the video. You can eat along with tamarind sauce and some salad and enjoy your Zanzibar pizza. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of foods, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.